Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. In the last class we have seen the coefficients and degree of the algebraic expression. We shall recall that. In minus 5 p power 4 q square r cube, write down the coefficient of p power 4. You have to leave this. You have to leave this p power 4. And remaining you have to write. Multiplication la adu kuda irukra ellathiyum eludradhu da coefficient. So minus 5 q square r cube is the coefficient of p power 4. Then coefficient of minus 5 q square r cube. You have to leave minus 5 q square r cube. Then remaining is p power 4. So p power 4 is the answer. Then minus r cube. You have to leave this minus and r cube. Remaining is p power 4 q square. Then coefficient of p power 4 q square. You leave this p power 4 q square. Remaining is minus 5 r cube. So minus 5 r cube is the coefficient of this. Then coefficient of p power 4 q square r cube. You leave all these variables. That is minus 5. This is the coefficient of. Then sixth one, coefficient of 5 r cube. Leave this 5 and r cube. Remaining is minus p power 4 q square. So minus p power 4 q square. The last one, numerical coefficient of the term. This is a term. In that term, which is the numerical coefficient? That is number coefficient. Yes, that is minus 5. Then next, degree of the algebraic expression. Degree of the term in an algebraic expression is the sum of the powers of all the variables. இதில் கொடுத்துருக்க அத்தனை வேரியபிள்ஸோட பவர்ஸை we have to add. Sum of is the sum of the powers of all the variables involved in the term. அந்த டேர்முக்குள்ளே இருக்கிற powers we have to add all that. Then degree of the algebraic expression is the highest degree. You have to say which term has the highest degree. That is the degree of the polynomial. Then we shall see example for finding degree. Here, how many terms are here? Yes, there are 3 terms. First, you take this first term. This is the first term. In this first term, we shall see the degree first. What we said, we have to add all the powers of the variables in one term. So 5x square y square. So here 2, 2. You have to add the powers. That is 2 plus 2, 4. Here degree is 4. For this term, the degree is 4. Then second term. Take the second term. That is minus 3k square x cube. In this term, what is the degree? 2 plus 3. Isn't it? Yes, the 2 plus 3. This is the degree 5. You have to see only the power. 2 plus 3, 5. Then take the third term, 2xy cube. 2xy cube. Here no degree, so you have to take this as 1. So 1 plus 3, 4. So 4 is the degree. This is the algebraic expression. We have taken term by term and found the degree, isn't it? For first term it is the degree 4. Then second term it is the degree 5. Then third term it is the degree 4. What we said, the degree of the algebraic expression means we have to see the highest degree. That is the degree of the algebraic expression. For this expression, the degree is highest degree. Which is the highest degree? 5. So for this algebraic expression, the degree of this expression is 5. This is the answer. Okay. Then we shall see another one algebraic expression. It is 8 a square b square c square plus 10 a b cube c minus 2 a b c. Okay. Here we have how many terms? 3 terms. First term is 8 a square b square c square. Okay. In this term the degree is 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is 6. For the first term the degree is 6. Then see the second term 10 a b cube c. Here we have the degree as 1. Here we have the degree as 1. So 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 1 5. So for this term the degree is 5. Then see the third term minus 2abc. Then here see the degrees 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So the third term degree is 3. Then degree of the whole expression. Degree of this expression is, we have to say the highest one. 6. Okay. Here the highest one is 6. So the answer is degree of the algebraic expression is equal to 6. Okay. Then we shall see the example 3.3. We have to find the value of, okay, f x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. Find the value of, first one, 4x plus 7y. We know the value of x as 3, then value of y as 2. Isn't it? We have to substitute these values in this expression. Okay, instead of x we are substituting 3. Okay, instead of y you have to substitute 2. Here 4x plus 7y is equal to 4 into 3 plus 7 into 2. It is 12 plus 14, which is equal to 29. So answer 4x plus 7y is equal to 29. Then second one, 3x plus 2y minus 5. Here x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Then you substitute 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 minus 5. 3 3s are 9. 2 2s are 4 minus 5. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 minus 5, 8. Yes, answer is 8. Okay. Then example 3.4. Find the value. 3m plus 2n. Here m value is 2 and n value is minus 1. So 3m plus 2n is equal to 3 into 2 plus 2 into minus 1. That is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So the answer is 3m plus 2n is equal to 4. Okay. Then take understanding mathematics. Okay. In that we will see the example 5. Find the degrees. You have to say the degrees for these all expressions. First algebraic expression is 2x plus 6y plus 3. We already seen. We have to see the degrees for each term and say which is greater. That is the degree of the expression. Okay. In the first term, the degree is 1. The second term, the degree is 1. The third term, it is a constant. We cannot say the degree. We have to say the degree of the variables. Here no variable. So here is the constant. So 1 is the degree of the highest degree. Which is the highest degree? 1. So the degree of the expression is equal to 1. 1 is the degree of the expression. The next one, 4x square 3x minus 2. See here, the degree is 2. Here the degree is 1. Here it is constant, no degree. So see here, which is the greatest degree? 2. So the answer is the degree of the expression is equal to 2. 2 is the highest degree. Okay. Then see the next one, third one. That is 12 y square k cube. Here 2 variables. We have to add both the powers. Here the degree is 5. Here see here. Here 1, here 2. 1 plus 2, 3. For this term, the degree is 3. And see here. Here 1. For this variable 1. So here for the third term, the degree is 2. Now see which is the greatest degree here? 5. So the answer, the degree of the expression is equal to 5. 5 is the greater. So 5 is the degree of the expression. Okay, next see here also we have 3 terms in this expression. Okay, first see the first term. 3 variables are here. For first one 2, 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Here the degree is 5. See here 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. The second term has degree is 4. Then see the third term. A square, B power 1. Isn't it? C power 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Here also 4. Okay, which is the highest degree here? 5. So the degree of the expression is to 5. Okay, we have found the degree of the given expression. Okay, the fourth example, we have to group the like terms together. Okay, like terms means the variables must be same. Okay, here see here 2abc, here 3a square, 2 ABC, here 3a square. See here, any 3 ABC are here. Here one ABC. ABC or BAC, both are same, no? It is in multiplication. So ABC can say as BAC. So, comma minus 3ABC. These two are like terms. Okay. See next one, 3a square. Here minus 8a square. Here also 8a square. Minus 8a square. And then simply a square means that is 1a square. Here also 1a square. So these three are like terms. Okay. These three are like terms. These two are like terms for the first one. Then see the second one. 5xy, comma 7xy square. Then 9yx minus 3xy square. Then xy square, sorry, 8y square x. Okay, see here 5xy. Any xy is here? Yes, here is one. Yx means that is xy. Both are same. So 9xy. Here these two are like terms. Then 7xy square. Okay, see here? Yes, here one xy square. You have to see the variables are same means there is a like terms. Okay. These two are like terms. These two are like terms. And see here 8y square x. Isn't it? 8y square x. Here xy square. Both are same, no? Okay, then this also y square x or xy square. Both are same. These three are like terms. Have you understood what is mean by like terms? Okay. Then see the third sum. 3pq square r, 3pq square r. Here q square r. See here any q square r here? Yes, here is one q square r. That is 7p q square r. Okay, these two are like terms. Then see the next one. Minus 5 p square q r. Okay, see any p square q r. Here it is p q r square. Here it is p q r square. Here, yes, 8 p square q r. So here it is minus 5 p square q r. So both are like terms, q r. So these two are like terms. Then another one, 5 by 2 pq r square. Here pq r square. So these two are like terms. Okay, r square. Okay, we have found the like terms. So you have to write solution and write as like terms. Like terms. Okay, next here also like terms is equal to. Here also you have to write like terms is equal to. We have found the like terms here. Okay, these two are like terms. Okay, have you understood now? Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.